Hello and welcome to What's Next Weekly, Premier NX's weekly podcast for forward-thinking leaders who aren't just keeping up with change, they're defining what comes next.
I'm Alex Reed.
And I'm Sophia Grant. Each week, we break down the biggest challenges and opportunities in business growth, digital transformation, and AI, giving you the insights you need to lead with confidence. In today's episode, we're cutting through the noise of financial technology. When your team is buried in invoices and reconciliations, another software rollout isn't the answer. We'll break down how to build a strategic, powerful tech stack by focusing on a fundamental, often overlooked first step, stabilizing the core workload.
Let's get started.
So we've looked at all this material on finance tech strategy, right? All the buzz about AI, automation.
Yeah, loads of it.
And our job today really is to boil it down. What's the one key thing you need to know about building a tech stack that actually, works?
And looking across everything, it seems pretty clear. Most companies, they just skip the most important first step. They get distracted by the flashy new thing when they really should be shoring up the basics.
Right. Let's dig into that pain point, because I think when people hear finance outsourcing or new tech, they imagine companies chasing some, super advanced AI, but what the sources are showing us is, well, it's much more basic. Teams are just drowning.
Totally overloaded.
Yeah. Piles of invoices, reconciliations always late, reports, inconsistent, messy. They don't need another software launch day. They need help, like real relief.
And it's fascinating, isn't it? How often leaders think, oh, let's optimize, and their first thought is new software.
Yeah, throw tech at it.
Exactly. When the process itself is, broken, teams just want to get from total chaos, transactionally speaking, to having clear financials. But you can't do that without tackling the current mess first.
So relief first.
Relief is absolutely the priority. You wouldn't build a skyscraper on quicksand, right?
Makes sense.
And this really leads us to what the sources call an operations first philosophy. It's kind of the key to making this work.
Okay, operations first. What does that mean in practice?
It means finding the right help, the right partner, maybe, who steps in and helps carry that immediate workload, takes on the messy stuff first.
Handling the burden now.
Precisely. And then, sort of quietly, they start introducing systems and improvements. It's explicitly operations first, not automation first. That sequence is critical.
And that initial lift, that stabilization work.
Yeah.
It's heavy, right? We're talking about the absolute essentials that just consume internal teams.
Oh, completely.
Things like, basic bookkeeping, managing all the AP and AR, making sure payroll is perfect, getting reconciliations done on time.
The month-end close, which everyone dreads.
Oh, yeah. And taxes, prep, filing, all of that. That foundational messy work just has to be sorted out before you can do anything else strategic.
Absolutely. Nail that first.
Okay, so let's talk strategy. Because once that core stuff, the operational work, is stable, then the real opportunity opens up, right? Tech enablement actually starts to mean something.
Exactly. That's the pivot.
And that's when your main systems, your core FAO systems, finance and accounting ops start working properly.
Your QuickBooks, Sage Intacct, Dynamics 365.
Right, the places where the actual transactions happen. They finally get aligned and, efficient.
Precisely. And it's only at that point that all those supporting tools stop being just, shelfware that nobody uses.
Ah, yeah.
And they actually become levers you can pull for productivity.
Okay, like what kind of tools?
Well, you see it with FP&A tools. That's financial planning and analysis, things like Profix or Anaplan helping with forecasting.
Okay.
Or spend management tools, maybe Bill.com or Coupa, streamlining how you handle vendor payments. And compliance tools like Avalara for tax or ADP for payroll, making sure everything integrates smoothly.
Got it. So the tools support the stable operation, not the other way around.
That's the key. And if you connect this to the bigger picture goal for the listener, once that foundation is solid, once your financial maturity level goes up, the whole game changes.
Yeah.
You stop just chasing clean books. That becomes table stakes. Instead, you start demanding real strategic insight from your numbers.
Okay, so what kind of insights are we talking about? What are those strategic needs?
Things like being able to generate, say, controller-ready reports on demand, or building dynamic operational dashboards that actually mean something to the business.
Real-time data-driving decisions.
Exactly. Like tying your cash flow projections directly to what's actually happening with receivables right now. Analyzing spend properly, that kind of thing.
So boiling it all down then, what's the main takeaway for you listening? It sounds like it's all about alignment.
Alignment is absolutely central, and it comes from two core ideas we saw. workload-first execution,
Get the work done first.
and platform-native expertise, meaning knowing the systems you already have inside and out.
And why is that combo so important?
Because it guarantees or aims for zero friction. It lets you actually sync up your CRM, your ERP, your HR systems
It's a big platform.
into one single, coherent financial picture. And that is the ultimate strategic edge, that unified view.
And that's a wrap on our exploration into building a finance tech stack that actually works. We hope this gives you a clearer path to turning your finance function from a source of chaos into a pillar of clarity.
Absolutely. If you found today's episode valuable, please subscribe to What's Next Weekly on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss a conversation. Leaving a rating or a review helps us massively in reaching other leaders like you.
We'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest finance operations challenge? Is it tool overload, team bandwidth, or something else? Share your thoughts with us on LinkedIn by tagging PremierNX and using the hashtag #What'sNextWeekly.
And for more insights, show notes, and resources from today's discussion, visit our website at premiernx.com.
Join us next week on What's Next Weekly, PremierNX's weekly podcast, where we'll be breaking down how to turn a common business challenge into your next big opportunity.
Until then, keep building what's next.